Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rao. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics by Dr. N. Rao. Today I'm going to deal with one interesting tutorial based on the calculator. How to deal the functions, how to store the functions in the calculator. So before going to this interesting session, I request each and everybody subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the videos among your friends and classmates, comment in the comment box and press the bell icon to get the further notification of the awesome videos. Okay, so the session is going to be very interesting, so keep in touch up to the last, and we will discuss a small mathematics, not the higher mathematics. Just we are going to deal with how to use the calculator, how to use the scientific calculator to make the problem very simple. Okay, so guys, uh, I'm again requesting to you, subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the videos among your friend and classmate, and comment also your valuable suggestions. Okay, and press the bell icon to get the further notifications. So a question is displaying on your uh, display. Okay, find the real root of x to the power 3 minus x minus 1 equals to 0. The question is very interesting. So before going to the questions, there are some questions should be our mind, right? Should be in our mind. What about these questions? First of all, we write our given functions. Okay, the given function is what? F of x is equals to x to the power 3 minus x and then minus 1. It is your given function. Okay, you have to find the root of this function. So first of all, the first step, every time you have to follow, what should be that? The first step should be find the location of the root. Where is the root exists? Means find the interval where the root exists. So this work will also be done with the help of calculator very easily. How we will do? Okay, I am again repeating some basic tutorials based on the calculators. There are some keys, okay, on your interface of the calculator. Some symbols, some representations are on the key, exactly up on the key, right? And some are upon the key, right? Here you will see these are the symbols also, and on the keys also. Okay, if you required the symbols which are printed on the keys, then these symbols will come directly on pressing the key. Like if you need to type x, so first of all on your calculator, okay, on your calculator from here, and then type x. So x will come directly here. There is no need to manipulate or to press shift or alpha. Okay, but in some calculators x is not printed on the keys, right? X is not printed on the keys. So and you are required the x to display on your calculator. So in that case, you will see this is close bracket, okay, C bracket, which is closing bracket, C close bracket, okay, it is C open bracket. So come on, C type bracket, you will see x is printed here, and it is of the color of alpha, that is the maroon color, right? And similarly, some expression are of the color of shift. So if you require these expressions which are of the color of shift, then you press the shift button first. Okay, so for example, if in your calculator x is not printed on the key, that in that case you can you have to type the x. So first press alpha, then press this, so x will be on your display. It's very easy tutorial. Okay, come on. Now total work is based on the calculator. We need to find the location of the root. So every time you need to find the interval. So in that case, just store your given function. So my given function is x. For the power 3, I can press x to the power box here. So then I will type 3. So to down the cursor, I will press the right arrow, then minus, again x, and then minus 1. Now I have typed the function. Now I need to find the value of x here. So I will press calc. It will ask the value of x. So first of all, I would love to give the value as 0. So I want the answer. What about the 0 here? So I will type 0, then I will press equal. So you will get the value of that is minus 1. Okay. So the answer is negative. Okay, the answer is negative. Again press calc. So change the value of x. So you can change the value of x as 1, and then press equal, then press equal. Again you are getting minus 1. So at the point 1, the value is again minus 1. As I have told you, the work is very simple in this paper. The total work is based on the calculator. Okay, come on. Again I need to calculate the another value of x, that is I want to find 8x equals to 0, the value of the function. So I will type here 2, 8x equals to 2. Okay, then press equal, and you are getting the value as 5. Okay, as 5. So as 5 means positive. So here you need to see two nearest point where the function has the opposite sign. Okay, these are two nearest point where the function has opposite sign. So this implies that the location of the root, this implies that the root lie between 1 and 5, right? Between 1 and 5, right? 1 and 5. Very good. Now in the first iteration, what is required to you? We need to find x, that is the midpoint, by the bisection method. That is what? A plus b by 2, right? A plus b by 2, where a and b are the endpoints of the interval where the root lie. So the root lie between 1 and 5. The value of a is 1, and the value of b is sorry, not 5. I'm sorry for that. Okay, it is 2. It is 2, right? So the root lie between 1 and 2. So it is 1 plus 2, and then it is divided by 2. That is equals to 1.5. So it is your first approximate root. First approximate root. Now again you need to check your function at the point 1.5. So come on, here is the calculator. So again press calc, and it will ask the value of x. So give the value of x as 1.5, then press equal. Okay, and then on doing so, you will see the sign, the value of the function is 0.875, means the sign is again positive. So what does it mean? This implies that the root lie between 1 and 1.5. Okay, the root lie between 1 and 1.5, right? This one. So it is the manual process, and it takes the time, okay, to compute the 15 iteration or up to the desired accuracy of the roots. It will take the time. So in that case, what we need to do, we will do totally work. Okay, in your examination, for the point of view your examination, you just compute one iteration manually, and rest of the iteration you will do with the help of calculator. Okay, just design a table here, right? Serial numbers, right? Iteration number 1 2 3, right? 4 5 and 6 7 and all. Okay, and here you will write the value of a, the first end of the interval, and here you will write the value of b, the second end of the interval. Here you will write, you need to write the x formula, that is a plus b by 2, right? Here you need to write the sign of the function on the value of x, right? Sign of f of x. Come on, sine of f of x. So in this case, come on, what should be the programming? I am writing here the programming in the calculator. The programming should be x is equals to a plus b by 2, then colon sign, right? And then write the function x to the power 3 minus x minus 1. Now come on, I come to the calculator. Okay, come on, आई कम टू द कैलकुलेटर और इसको थोड़ा सा मिनिमाइज कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे, राइट. आई थिंक इज परफेक्टली विजिबल नाउ. So come on. First, I need to type the x. Okay. So I press x. Then I require the equal sign. So it is of the alpha color. Then I press first alpha. Then I will press first calc. So it is. Now I require the numerator denominator symbol. So I will press this symbol. And then I require the a. A is of the color alpha. So first I will press alpha. Then this one, right? Then plus, similarly I require the b. So b is here, b is printed here, and it is of the color of alpha. So I will press again b, and then from that down arrow I will come in the denominator. So, and then from the right arrow I will come in the right hand side. So I require here colon sign, and colon sign is the of alpha color. So I will press alpha, then this one. Now I will type the function, that is x to the power 3 minus x and minus 1. Now come on, minus x and minus 1, actually it is going to display in the power. No, it is the wrong way. Okay, so I need to down my cursor, right, by the right arrow, then minus x and then minus 1, right, and again press equal. It will oh no, it will be the mistake. Okay, in many cases. So you have to come back with the right and left and right arrow. Okay, so in that case you need to press the calc. It will ask the value of a. So the value of a was 1 because my root is lying between 1 and 2. So come on, what will be the value of 2? That is 2. So you will get the value of x, and the value of x is 1.5. right? So it is 1, then 2, then 1.5, and then again press equal. You can find the sign of the function, that is positive, right? So at the point 1, initially we have started, it was negative, and at the point B it was positive. So in the second iteration, which value will change? Obviously the value will change of B, right? So in the second iteration we will change the value of B, that is 1.5. Come on, and the work is very simple. Again press equal. So no need to change the value of A. Value of A is A equals to 1 is already displaying here. So I will press the upper arrow to change the value of B, then 1.5, then again press equal, and I will get the value of B, that is what, 1.25, right? 1.25, then again press equal, I will get what, negative sign. So in the third iteration the value of A will change, and the value of A is 1.25, then 1.5, means the value of B is unchanged. The 1.25, the work is very simple. The value of B is unchanged. Now the new value of is 1.375. Then again press equal. Then it is of opposite sign. So in the fourth iteration the value of B will change. So now in the fourth iteration 1.25. Then what about the value of B? Value of B is 1.375. 1.375. And again press equal. You will get the new value is 1 point. Okay, I think I didn't change the value. So come on guys, the work methodology is very simple. You need to follow these steps up to the desired accuracy. Root is obtained. Now see you in the next video lecture with awesome contents. Keep watching. Thank you very much.